I'm a dumbass. I literally wanted to open Twitch. Guys, like the video. Hello, XP8. Guys, like the video. If you are here, like the video, okay? I just need to link this stuff on Twitch. Well, I hate how it's... There we go. Winterlore Games, that only works on Twitch. In the Twitch chat. I will enable the Twitch chat. Welcome to YouTube. Welcome. Alright. Good. Looking good. Let's close that. We have the YouTube chat. Instead of Todd chat, we should do live chat. So we don't miss anything. Hey Haskas, hey Azen. Live chat, yes. Because YouTube sucks. And now we start coding on Vampire Survivors. We want to do hot code reloading, and I'm just waiting for CCAP to help me out with that, because I have literally never done that. I'm pretty sure we have to change our build.batch. We need to do 2 CL commands. I'm pretty sure we need to do CL... Hello, hey, Real Supercool, good morning. Hot code reloading? Yes, we want to make it so that we reload our game code. YouTube has no theater mode match. Yeah, there are extensions for that, but I don't think they do much. They help a lot. I don't think they help a lot. Like, the chat experience on YouTube is literally terrible. And I have not found any good extensions to help that. Get it working with 2 compilations units first, before the DLL shit. But I've never done it. Know what it is. I've never done it. Yeah, we'll see. If I've never done it myself either. So it's a good learning experience to do this, to do it in this one. Yeah, but what do I do? Like, I literally do another CL, no logo, std c++ 20. Then we do the zc strict strings dash slash fc. What was fc again? The path, yeah. Source / game.cpp, right? And then z7, and then we call it, yeah, compile game cpp separately. We are going to try to do that into a DLL, right? How do I compile a DLL? How do I say it's going to be a DLL? Percentage defines DL percentage. Not yet. Dash includes, get it working normally first. Okay, includes DL dash percentage links DL percentage. Okay, so we undo that and we just try to compile the game.
Attention.
So
Building completed.
Frame count unknown override specified. LD for DLL, okay.
Attention.
Origin center. Unknown override specifier. Render interface. That needs the config. Argument list missing after assumed function array. Unable to recover from previous error. Stopping compilation. You probably want a shared H file where things that are needed by both platforms and the game are placed. A shared header file. What does that mean? I have never had that error because I have never used templates. Argument list missing after assumed function template. Does that just mean I have not included my default, or what is it called? Common? H?
Attention.
Input, undeclared identifier. Okay, now we don't have input. Game CPP doesn't know about it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So, over here.
Attention. Building complete.
File name, directory name, or label syntax is incorrect. Game CPP. Fatal error. Link. Entry point must be defined. I don't have an entry point. VS clone executable not found. Oh no, that's the error to close it. The file name, directory name, volume name, the syntax is incorrect. Don't know if that is part of the...
Attention. Building
Okay, wait.
completed.
File name is incorrect. What is incorrect? And so I do LD. Entry point must be defined. So I just get... can I build already? Don't know what that means. Maybe I don't need links.
Attention. Building
Maybe I don't need
completed.
includes.
Attention. Building
Maybe I don't need
completed.
defines.
Attention.
I should
Building
probably
completed.
probably check in the defines.
Attention. Building completed.
What is the file name, directory name, volume name? Probably don't need the includes and links then.
Attention. Building completed.
Game CPP.
Attention. Building completed.
LD.
Attention. Building completed.
Did that work? You may need backward slashes. No, for that I don't. I wish I knew what this was saying. Like what? Like you mean here? Oh wait, that's commented out. Slash slash. For what? Hey. Libya. Supposed to be a comment. Oh, yeah.
Attention. Building completed.
Yeah. Okay, there's just one thing less missing then. Did it not find the game CPP file here? Next line too. No, it's literally one line. Look. Just for coda being... For coda. Did it build me a DLL? Oh look, I have a DLL. What about task kill? Oh, I see. That it?
Attention.
Wait, that's it?
Building completed.
How does that work? How does it work? I literally draw... How is that even working? Because in game CPP, I literally call the function draw sprite, which is implemented in renderer CPP, but I never include
grandma-oriented debugging.
Okay, that's just toxic, bitch. What's this guy talking about? Huh? Is he trying to be toxic? Do I have to ban him? I don't know how you compiled without an entry point. But because I compiled it as a DLL. I literally said LD. What you typed. It's the one thing you typed to me. Does it work now? Excuse me. Yes, but where is the DLL? Don't use LD yet, not like this. Okay, but at least seems like it's compiling. That's the only thing that's complaining about. Look, no entry point defined. Game exit not found or built by the last incremental step. Compounding, yeah. Fatal error link. Entry point must be defined. You don't need 2 CL calls. We need 1 CL call with both files. First. Okay, we can do that. Fine. Not sure why, but okay. Then probably the Z7 has to be in front of that, right? Z7. Can I put the Z7 in front?
Toxic this.
Attention.
Warning.
Building completed.
Already defined. Game OBJ file already defined. What does it mean? When we do the DLL, we will need 2, but better to get it working without DLL first. I simply don't understand. But if we need 2 when we do a DLL, why do I not do it with... Because I think it's easier to do it in the steps. Okay. But what does that mean? Like operator... So you mean that... It's already defined in Win32. Hello, been following you since a Sprite video. Can I ask that why the design choices of the game looks not so good? Can I ask it why the design choices of the game looks not so good? What do you mean by look not so good? In my tower defense game, JD? And what do you mean does not look so good? What is not looking good? We can do it this way. I just don't understand the errors. Or maybe it means that I should not be including... I mean, we can create a shared includes here. Not to say it looks bad, but to me it kind of looks ugly. Yeah, what does look ugly? They are not static, I think. If you know. No, I want to know what you mean, because then I can improve it. If you don't tell me exactly what you mean, then I don't know how to improve it. Because generally speaking, what you mean does not look so good. What does not look so good? Your functions are not static. Which functions? All my functions. So they are shown, they are shared between compilation units. some characters. For example. Which one don't you like? Tell me which one you don't like. But thank you that you've been following me since then. It's very nice. A very long time, JD. The ones that the errors say, okay. Well, those are the operators. We could go into my math. So I make these operators static. What is the difference? I should make these all static. Interesting. Why though? I don't understand why. I wish I understood. Like, you need pragma once? I have pragma once. Like the one in channel profile you have, it's that I don't understand the vibe. This one? Like the one in the channel profile you have. This one, okay. I mean, you think it... Not that one, that's looking good, not that one. Oh, you mean in my dashboard? How do I get to YouTube? You mean in my channel thing? So on both CPP and math, they are collisions of YouTube. You mean this one right here? But that's not about the game. That is just a banner. Circle. Literally don't know what you mean. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean?
Attention.
Oh my god,
Building
operator.
Read the previous message as well, smiley face.
Because if they are not static, they are visible outside the compilation unit. I see. That's why it's called internal. They are internal to the compilation unit. Is that correct, Mr. CCAP? Is that a correct assumption? That's why... Casey? Yes. You mean this one is ugly? I mean, that's probably hurting... it's not gonna hurt me because I didn't make it. That will hurt the girlfriend or the wife of my brother because she made that at the very beginning for me. Just like she made the banner for my brother's YouTube channel, which is this one right here. He always was a wolf type of person. And she made that for me. But that has nothing to do with the game, bro. But thank you for the feedback on my channel banner. But what do you think about the game, the actual game? Have you played the game? Have you played this game? That game right here? This one? Like, if there's anything in here that you don't like or find ugly, then not banner, that small circle part where the subscribe button is. Huh? Wait, you mean the white circle? Do you mean the white circle? Like, I literally don't know what you mean! Yep. I see. I think that's YouTube. I think that's literally YouTube. I don't waste time on computer games, but this one is actually looking great. I love the grim setting. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you. Maybe I can change it. I don't think I can, though.
Stare, right pointing finger, 12 o'clock.
Yeah, okay. Okay. No! See, that's YouTube. YouTube is doing that. YouTube is shit. Anyways, okay. Internal. So yeah, the static internal means internal to the compilation unit. That's why Handmade Hero is using internal. Interesting. So now I know what internal means, because usually I just used internal to say, well, that's in my C++ file. And I don't have it inside of any header file. But now I understand what internal means. Very nice. Very poggies. Do I have to do this for every single thing?
Attention. Building
Vector
completed.
2, do I have to do this everything where I have literally shared headers? Don't you want inline in headers instead of static? I have no idea, bro. Inline just means inline the function, right? We are talking about 2 compilation units. If you include both in CPP, yes, okay. Okay, then I literally have to type in internal everywhere. So for every shared header. Okay, once we have that done, what do I do next? What would be the next step? Now it means you define it multiple times. You can define it multiple times. Oh, really? Maybe I should copy the word. I don't have a way to copy the word, guys. I can only copy lines. No! Fuck you! I think it's too slow. God damn it. Huh? Yeah, I cannot copy words, yeah. I literally, oh no. What did I do? Why did I delete the bool? I don't have a way to copy words. Okay.
Attention. Building completed.
Did you see CCAP? I put an internal here. Okay, already defined to Win32. Ease in, out, quad. Oh, so that's easing functions. And for that, I probably need the include defines.h to have the internal. Guys, I'm literally sitting on a...
Attention.
Hey, it
Building
works.
completed.
CCAP, it works. Do you even need easing function, easing in a platform? Do I need easing in a platform? The platform doesn't have easing, but the platform has game and therefore it has easing. So I probably need to delete that part here, right?
Attention. Building completed.
Render interface, color white, undeclared identifier. Do I have to delete it now? So color white. I sent the link. That's right above. This right above. I sent the link. Yeah, I'll look at that after our TCAP is gone because he's on a timer. And I really want to get this done before init game, update game. Identifier not found. So we don't have init game and we don't have update game. Platform shouldn't have game. Okay, done. Just Rex TM. I'm still laughing at the I don't know, bro, because that literally sums up the life of a C++ dev. True. YouTube doesn't allow links, yeah. YouTube doesn't show links. I'd recommend not having init game. Why? Why? Well, but I want to have init game. Why not? What's your problem with init game? Tony? Let's check if initialized in update game. Because you need to export another function and it's cringe. I will export the function later when we have more time. I'll keep init game, but I will not call it. YouTube profile picture. That's what it is called. Put init game and update game header in there. Progma once. It probably needs a game state pointer. I would assume. Oops. I would assume that we need to pass in memory into those functions. Backseat coding. Now the backseat coding is needed because I've never done it. And that also takes in game state pointer. And I know that takes in delta time. Those two things. Shared.header. And then we need to include that. ABC. Why is the colon? ABC config mn. Does that even work? Probably not. Should not change the fact. The include thing. Let's change that later. Include shared h. Illegal use of void. Init game. Illegal use of type void. It should take the same as the actual functions. You probably want a void pointer instead. Platform shouldn't know about game state. Okay. That's weird. God damn it! Sorry. But I need to allocate memory.
Building completed.
Data dumbass no type. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm a dumbass. Thank you so much.
Attention. Building completed.
Why not? Yes, platform allocates memory and gives it to game. Yeah, but how do I know how much memory I need to allocate? Oh, then this is void game memory. And then it returns me a void pointer of the allocated memory. Game custom memory as game state or whatever is needed. Just allocate some amount. Try to play, but it won't start. Really? What's happening? You can assert if the allocated memory is less than game size. I literally can't do that. I literally need to know how big the game state is in order to allocate it. Wait, what? That's too complicated for me. I'll do that later. I'll do that later. It's too complicated for me, bro. I literally, that's too complicated. Literally, it's too complicated. I don't understand what you mean, dude. I'm sorry. I'm just, it's too complicated for me. I'm sorry. I'm basically under stress because you wanna start streaming. So I will do the first thing that comes to my mind, and then we can change the stuff later. We'll just put everything in here. I'll just use everything in here and put that in here. And I'll literally include that. Why don't you take a little break? You can chill. Because CCAP needs to go streaming, and I've never done this before. And if he can help me, then it's not complicated. You have to hardcode in telling you how much to allocate. You allocate that. I literally don't know what to do. Literally, I don't understand it. Like I understand literally nothing. But it's fine. I will look at this when I'm under less stress. I'm literally running on a timer. And I can do that later. Okay. And this needs to be a pointer, and in init game we'll just allocate that pointer. Or we don't even use that, we just use update game. We don't even use the global variable. Or maybe we do. No, we don't.
Attention. Building completed.
Decker game cannot allocate a hot reload will break. Not complicated, you have to add code in telling you at Stacker game cannot allocate anything, hot code reload. Yeah, the game cannot allocate anything, actually. The game needs to work with memory supplied by the functions. Yeah. But it's fine. It's fine. I can make that very fast. Fine. Let's start with the first one. Oh, it needs a lot.
Attention. Building completed.
Maybe it does not take.
Attention.
Maybe it is.
Building
Function init game does not take 0 arguments. So what I want to do is just a game state, and initialize that to 0 here. That's what I want to do. Okay, in the beginning.
Attention.
And then update
Building
game
completed.
also takes in the address of game state. For now, right?
Attention.
And after that,
Building
when I have a little bit, more time, we can do the.
Attention. Building completed.
We can do the
Attention.
other stuff. Game
Building
state, undeclared
completed.
identifier. I don't understand what you mean, but the DLL cannot call malloc. It will crash if he recompiles. I will make this better when I have more time, but CCAP wants to stream soon, so I will just fix these things.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
Does not take
Attention.
long
Building
time.
completed. Attention.
You're wrong.
Building completed.
Fuck you. And what we do here in update. Fuck you! Sorry, update game. By the way, do I need internal functions now? By the way, do I have shared? I don't.
Attention. Building completed.
Okay, and then those are no longer internal, right? They are no longer internal, if I am correct about this.
Attention. Building
Options
completed.
applied to the entire command line. Cat jam. Not init game.
Shijiman detected.
That are called pilot cannot be internal static. Yeah.
450. CK400 colon 450. CK400 colon 450. CK400 colon 450.
Okay, stop. Stop. We are speed running this, okay, guys? So we cannot have any farts going on here.
Attention.
Right.
Building completed.
Gotta keep going. You're making that fast.
Building completed.
Okay? Make it very fast. Now game set is a pointer. God damn it. Have to change every single game state that I find. Maybe I should do a replace.
Attention. Building completed.
Maybe I should do a replace. Wait, that's motion canvas. Wait.
Shijiman detected.
Yeah, let's change the window here. File, open recent Vampire Survivors clone. Let's go here and go do a Control F. Game state dot. We want to have exactly that. And then we want to replace that with game date pointer.
Game functions that are called by the platform cannot be static.
Yeah. I already changed that. 29. Replace. Reload. Build.
Attention. Building completed.
Init game does not take 0 arguments. True. Because it takes in the game state, my friend.
Attention. Building
I have it
completed.
working, CCAP. I have it working. Attention. The code is working. The code is running. We now need to turn game CPP into a DLL. And then we need to do the pragma, whatever that's called. Not sure why it's not called pragma or pragma load library or pragma include or pragma something. Run the game then. Run the game. Okay. God damn it. Eh? 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 What is the problem here? I don't understand. What? Stack is broken? The stack is too big? Huh? I literally passed in a pointer. But that's a pointer. That's like, how is the stack broken? I'm not sure. I mean, it probably tells me that there is a stack. Yeah, there's a stack overflow, but what is allocating the stack memory? I literally pass in memory. I mean, it doesn't break the stack here. I mean, maybe the game is just too big. Game state is just too big. I mean, it could be allocating the game, yeah. You allocate it on the stack, the game. Yeah, I do, but I didn't think it would be that big of a deal. Let's see. Win 32. I'm just gonna make it smaller and then we'll allocate it from max enemies. Let's just change max enemies.
Attention. Building completed.
Oh, and now it works. Okay. Cool. I hope it does not work. I literally do the update call twice.
Attention.
No.
Attention. Building completed.
I can't move the player, but it works. I can't move the player. I guess the input, I have a different input system and it spawns the player in a completely different position than before, but it works. The game works. The input is not corrected correctly, but the rest works. Do I need to supply a pointer to the input? To the game so I know about input? I'm not changing that input, I guess. I have a global variable input that I use. So I guess globals are bad, huh? Do you have two global inputs? I suppose I do. One in game and one in... I have over here, I have this input.h and the global variable is here. Don't do that. So I guess I have to pass in input as a pointer to the game. Global plus DLL equals shit. Yeah, you don't want that. Okay. What's okay. Then oh man, sad. Okay, input.
Attention. Building completed.
But then I can't access this input. Or can I define these? Can I implement them in my platform layer? Global equals shit in general, lul. Global equals shit in general, lul. I'm just gonna try it out. Platform has no need for key down. So I literally have to do this. That's cringe. Yeah, this is annoying. I don't want that. Yeah, exactly. Which is why I was thinking, let me just implement those in platform. Just have a global input pointer inside the game. That gets set to the input that is passed in. No, it needs to be here. It needs to be here, literally. Otherwise, it doesn't work. But this function access the input. Like, how else would that work? Like, I don't understand. If I take it away from here, then I still have to pass it because I literally do input dot, even if I have input like that. Like, these function access input. Like, so it needs to be defined here. It needs to be in here. There needs to be something that these functions can access. Unless I supply that here. That's because you didn't separate the function definitions and implementations. I didn't, I know. Anyways, I'll just do it like this for now. It's the only thing that comes to mind. I don't know what to do else. Sag, I'm Sag. Like, yeah. Don't be Sag. Oh boy, there's another one here. Nah, it seems like my design is just terrible. And that's making me sad.
Attention. Building completed.
You know. GL render. Now we need GL render. I guess we just use that here, huh? Because you've never done it before.
Completed.
Yeah, well, where would you implement the definitions for those?
Attention. Building
In
completed.
an input C++ file, but then the input C++ file needs to have the global variable input. Right?
Attention.
Oh, wait.
Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
Win32 platform. We don't use that.
Attention.
And then just...
Building completed.
Let's just try the following. To do. Allocate. Input later. Fine.
Attention. Building completed.
Left of screen size. Boom. Boom. And I can still access input.
Attention. Building completed. Attention.
Include input
Building
and age, global variable input pointer, include input CPP and declare it in the CPP file. So the global variable is still inside the input file. Input header file. How I have it right now. Right? No? Where do you decline the... Where do you declare the file, the global variable then? In which file? In Win32?
Attention. Building completed.
We're almost there, guys. Almost there. What I just typed would be in game
Building
CPP.
completed.
And what about the platform layer?
Attention. Building completed.
Oh wow, it's still running. How is he still not dead? Dude, he's literally cheating. Oh, he is. He dies. I see.
Attention. Building completed.
Okay, now we are setting input properly. I think we should get input now. Or maybe we don't, because init game does not have input set. Because it's a different input global variable. Oh, man. I see. I'm starting to understand how this works. So I can't do it like that. I can't actually put the global variable in here. So I do need an input CPP.
Attention. Building complete.
Okay, you can. Yeah, I would need to supply the pointer to input and then...
All you need to do to fix this is pass input, not the global one, into init_game and into update_game.
True, true. Try that. Wanna try that.
Attention. Building completed. Attention.
The global
Building
variables are a bait because they are not connected in any way between platform and game.
Yeah, literally, you're right. True.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building
Let's see if that
completed.
works. Oh, it does work. Guys, we have it. We have the game running. Okay, what do we need to do? Wow, 50 minutes, okay. I tried my best, guys. I know it's not best solutions. I know it's very scuffed, but we have it running. That's the most important part. First thing is make it running, and then I can literally go ahead. It's Sunday today, you know. I will go and sit here at night thinking about how I can improve the structure. Cool.
Now remove game.cpp from the first cl.x.
Okay, bro. Thank you, CCAP. Thank you for helping with this. Thank you so much. So maybe, interesting. Well, we'll see. Game? No, build. We remove that game CPP call here. Okay.
Attention. Building complete.
And then
You would fail to call init_game and update_game now.
Yeah, it literally doesn't let me resolve these things. Yeah. Platform wouldn't include input CPP, so it wouldn't need a global input var.
You need variables for them now, just like the OpenGL functions.
Oh, I see. So over here. I'll just put it here for now. I don't want to hear anything, guys. I don't want to hear anything. I'll put them here now, okay? I don't want to hear anything. Actually, I'll not put them here. Debate it. I'll put them in main.
You probably want to make a type def for the function types.
Game DLL stuff. Okay, we do that here. I don't know, type def. What's that? Void init game pointer.
init game t. Not the exact function name.
Okay, I see. He found a way to talk to me without talking to me. Oh boy. It's actually funny. Okay. Init game type.
Otherwise I get ignored. Sag.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Okay. Program type, so that would be game state pointer. Game state. And oh, I probably don't have to supply the names for these, right? It's just a game state pointer and an input pointer, right? And what am I type defing this type to?
Don't need param names, but it works.
Like type def works like that. I take an int and I define that to a penis or something. So what am I defining that type to be? Where's the type here? Where's the new type?
Clueless. It's fine as it is now.
Init game type. But where's the int? What is the int part of this? Like, what is the penis and what is the int?
Now make a variable with that type. Called update_game.
The thing around the type name. Uh-huh. Okay, that's very interesting.
I mean init_game.
Huh? Now make a variable with that type.
Yes, like that, init it to null.
There's no way that works.
Attention.
I knew it
Building
wouldn't work.
completed.
It would, no, I knew it wouldn't work. Like, it's already complaining here. There's literally some issues.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
Move init game type to the end of the line.
The asterisk goes before the name maybe, I forget.
Attention. Building completed.
Aha.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building completed.
Badge. Cakez would know that if he didn't ignore me, lol. Cakez ignore me, Sag. Wait, declare it and declared what?
Now you compile, but
Define
crash
it
if
as
you
the
try
next
to
turn.
call them.
So shit.
Time to load the functions from the DLL.
Now you compile, but it crash if you call them. Time to load the functions from the DLL. Yeah, it will probably crash, right? Yeah. While running, it's tried to call init game, which is 0. Okay. And these are called pragma. Hashtag pragma load lib. Should be called load DLL. But it's not called load DLL. What is it called? Called some pragma comment or something, right? some weird bullshit, which is game.dll.
You don't want that.
I don't?
We need to load them dynamically.
Hey, Crystal Dev, good morning. God damn it! I thought I was smart. God damn it! Oh, that fucking hurts. I'm so surprised. My girlfriend just came in and she's like, oh, "What are you doing? You killing yourself?" Not so easy.
That may work for the first run, but then when you recompile you'll lose them.
I see. Snap, yeah. I'm gonna snap my neck. I'm gonna end it. Okay, what do I call
Make
then?
a new CL.x that builds a DLL.
Okay, boys. Hä? 1 Stunde, 2 Stunden, irgendwie so. Bro. Ey! Irgendwie so, keine Ahnung. Don't know, bro. Ich kann auch selber machen. Girlfriend wants to go in here and use the and then she did the mopping thing as well. But I can do that too.
Made up language, weird dude.
Build. We have this call. Yeah.
Attention. Building completed.
Command.h. Log, no matching overloaded function found. Game C++. I didn't get that before.
That doesn't build a DLL.
Oh yeah, you're right. Wait. I forgot the, what is that called again? LD?
Attention.
No.
Building completed.
Is it DL?
Attention.
No?
Building completed.
I had it before.
LD this nuts.
Attention.
There we go.
Building completed.
Not sure what I did different this time, but I guess I was missing defines. I think I missed some defines. I would if I were doing this. So I have some unresolved external get sprite, draw quad, and draw sprite. Yeah, literally, we don't have those. We are fucked. We are fucked, literally. Because we don't have these defined. And we can't do anything about it. And they are inside the platform layer. How do you draw a quad inside the game? You don't.
Clueless.
Fuck you. Fuck you! I see what you mean though. I see what you mean. We go ahead into the render interface. Over here, we create...
Game should have OpenGL funcs.
No, you're clueless. That's PaintChamp. No. No. We should have a struct. Draw batches or something. I don't know. Forgot. Okay. And we literally, from the GL renderer, we literally take the materials and the transforms and put them in here. And then this has draw batches.
So you are going to re-implement the whole rendering on each platform? Clueless.
No! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. So you're telling me, no, 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 no. No, no. Like, how do I solve this issue now? Are the endless compiler flags? Nah, it's not that difficult. The compiler flags you deal with this like 10% of the time. Really. Yeah. No, learning something new is always a little bit annoying, but that's just how it is. How it is. Okay, Mr. Smart. How do we do it otherwise though? If we don't have these draw badges.
Attention. Building complete.
Like, I'm not gonna implement the rendering side or for each platform, but like OpenGL needs access to the platform.
What happens when you have post-processing steps? You need to bind frame buffers, shaders, set uniforms, etc. You are going to repeat that in every platform? I don't know if that's the proper way.
No, you just have the renderer CPP file inside the platform, but we only write that once. We only need to write this once. We don't need to write this for every platform. And we pass in a generic window function into GL init. Did I not call it GL init in this one? Cringe. Init GL. Is it still called init open? God, cringe.
Attention. Building completed.
Why take that in direction hit though? Why not have it in the game?
Building completed.
Yeah, how? How do I have it in the game? I don't understand. How do I have it in the game? Like, I literally include the renderer. Like, what does it mean? Like, so the game calls init GL, OpenGL? Like, the game shouldn't even know about the renderer. The game is just the game. It's not the renderer. And literally we have another problem. We literally have to do platform print errors here. Like, these are platform things. And we literally also call platform read file. So now I'm reading files. I don't have the function definitions for reading files. They are inside the platform. So like the renderer is like so tightly connected to the platform.
No, the game doesn't init OpenGL. It loads the functions and calls them when needed.
You need a render layer? No, I think it's very simple. I think it's very simple. We have a render interface. And in that render interface, we have a struct. I don't know what's called. Don't know. Right? We can call that something later. And then I think it's much simpler than all of this. Like, I think the only thing I need to do is to implement the functions in this stuff here. And those are these things. And then I have a don't know in here. Maybe even a pointer. Using DL libraries it's like you can call some function from game. You don't think what it does internally. Let's say call print function and it's implemented in a library and it doesn't matter how. It's going to print that from the game point of view.
Do it so we see if it works.
Okay. Well, try. Let me see here. I told you it's gonna be more. Render interface.cpp. Isn't it a problem that you can only initialize OpenGL once? It doesn't matter. That's not what I mean. This is literally about data. And these should be internal. But I would want to set these though. I fucking hate these types of problems. You know, this is so annoying. Because I think I'm thinking differently. I mean, let's try making it work though.
Attention. Building completed.
Let's see, render interface. Now I need to think about the data. Okay.
If you don't want OpenGL functions inside the game at all, then you need to build abstractions for each single thing that you would want to do with OpenGL. Seems like a pain to me.
Attention. Building completed.
No. No, I think no. I just need an interface like that. I think. I just don't. I need to think where the don't know comes from. So they all have the same pointer. Use macros. Again, this is new to me, so I might not do it correctly. Oh, I don't have the add transform. Let me see. That needs to be, and get to material index, those two functions need to be. Hey, I'm literally selecting that. Come on. I'm literally selecting this, bitch. Give me those. Uh-oh. Okay, this looks at the GL context, and that needs to... This needs to have a don't know pointer. So I need to have a don't know pointer. Something like that. I literally don't know what to call it yet, but... Again, I might do this completely badly, but I don't know what else to do right now. So I think the rest is fine. I'm literally only accessing void before. Oh yeah, donor pointer is 0 in game, and then in init game it takes in a donor pointer and assigns that. And then below the donor pointer I include the render interface.cpp. I think that's how I do that. Oh no.
Building completed.
Transform illegal use of specify int assumed.
Attention. Building completed.
Okay. Global variable donor. Do I need to include the render interface.h here first?
Attention.
Okay, looking better.
Completed.
Now we have those, and then platform gets sprite. Ah, broy. You said pixel format one time. I'm gonna have to think about this. I wanna have it working once, and then we'll see. In game, yeah, game does not have access to get sprite and platform log. Where am I calling platform log? Yeah, in assertions. I don't even have platform log. Or GL clear color. I don't even have platform log, CCAP. I can't even call platform log. I can't even log inside my game right now. Because I don't have access to the function platform log. So I can't do any assertions. I wish I could jump to these. It's called an update game. Over here. Cakez assert. I can't call that.
Attention.
But I guess it's been called multiple times. In update game. In the templates, for example. So how do I call update log? How do I log inside my game if the game is a generic game? That's where it broke for me in my engine. I don't have a way to call log functions. I don't have a way to call to read and load files. What am I doing? You know, like how do I log my game? I don't. So I literally have to change the. Just in order to get this working, I have to change the, I think it's called shared, right? Or is it called common? I have to change the assert. Platform needs to provide those utilities to the game. You need to add a way. Yeah, well, I don't know how to add the way, so I'll just comment them out for now. And then I'll fix that after that.
Attention.
Get sprite and platform log still. I wish it would tell me where. I wish it would tell me where. I don't see where I'm logging. Anything? Get sprite platform log. Or maybe that's because I'm including the logger. Oh no, I have logger in here somewhere. Not an input. Common.
Attention.
Cakez assert identifier not found. Okay.
Attention.
I mean, read the referenced in. Yeah. I mean, I see that it's an update game, but it doesn't tell me where in update game. And this buffer just extends until infinity. Kinda cringe. Now I can't get a sprite. And in init game, I cannot... I don't have... Oh, yeah, I see. Wait. Shared. I need to supply a dono pointer. Dono. And I suppose that's included in the render interface.
Attention.
Init game does not take 2 arguments. Yes. Because I need to have a dono. Which I suppose we can apply here, yeah?
Attention. Building complete.
And then get sprite is the only thing that I don't have yet. That get sprite function. I suppose we can just extract this out and put this into the header. For now. And then that needs to be internal again, right?
Attention. Building completed.
And of course we don't have an assertion.
Attention. Building completed.
Okay, I'm able to compile my game CPP file now. It's not gonna work yet, I think. Or maybe I do, but why is it not complaining about...
Attention. Building completed.
Me not supplying something here?
Handle DLL equals load library the .dll.
Okay. We need to create a dono and assign that here. I think that might actually break the stack again.
Attention. Building completed.
You know what? Just so make it very fast. I'll change that later. I want to make a proper allocation system. But for now, let's just get this running, right?
Attention. Building complete.
I don't know why it's not complaining about init game not having a dono pointer. Like, I literally want that here. Why is it not complaining about those? Or GL init not giving me errors about that.
Attention. Building
Why is it not
completed.
giving me errors? Shouldn't that give me... Shouldn't that tell
You
me...
probably didn't change it in the shared.h.
I did. Look. Here. Right here. Add a W4. You think the warnings might enable it? I can't add W4 now. But I'll do that in a second. I'll do that after we have the load library thing. Okay, so. What is that called? Handle. DLL. Let's call it game DLL. Is load library game.dll.
Attention.
Seems to be
You
working.
should have a macro for the function header and params, but let's not do that now.
Yeah, yeah. Excuse me. Okay, how do I load a function? Get rock address. That's how I do that, and then I call the string.
Assert handle.
Okay.
Get proc address name, DLL.
Is it like the invalid handle value? Get proc address name DLL. Okay. It's the DLL first, then the name. Is it? Sheesh. Duh.
Attention. Building complete.
It literally is not complaining. I'm so scared. Like, it's literally not complaining.
And
Oh,
assign
I'm
the
not
result
building
to the
anymore.
init_game and update
I'm a dumbass.
game.
I'm
Assert that
sorry.
you get them.
Attention. Building completed.
I'm sorry. Wait. I was not using those.
Attention. Building completed.
I was actually not using them.
Attention. Building completed.
I was actually not compiling
Attention.
this.
Building
Materials
completed.
and transforms.
Attention. Building completed.
God, stop it! Sorry.
Attention.
Transforms is not a
Building
member
completed.
of copy transforms to GPU.
Attention. Building completed.
Don't know undeclared identifier. Oh.
Attention.
Get progress. Cannot convert argument 1 from handle to module. It's an H
Assert for
module.
null, not invalid handle, like Cakez said.
Not invalid handle. Gonna return null. Okay.
Attention.
Missing before.
Building
Yeah. Now we get the progress.
Attention.
Init game
Building
type,
completed.
too many arguments for call. Yeah, because that does also take in a donor pointer. My friend.
Attention.
Okay,
Building completed.
now we assign that init_game is that, right? And then we call update game.
Yeah, that's why you'll want a macro.
I see. Okay. Good.
Attention. Building completed.
And I guess we need to convert it into an init game pointer.
Assert the funcs.
Yeah, we can assert that.
Attention.
Wait in a
Building
second.
completed. Attention. Building completed.
Okay. Tunux error. Closing brace. You can do
Cast as type, not as func name.
Attention.
Cannot convert
Building
from
completed.
init game pointer to init game.
Attention. Building completed.
Becker says. Term does not evaluate to a function taking 3 arguments. Your mama. It does. Okay. What? Did you pointer change the pointer type def? Yeah, it's right here. It. I'm not sure if all of this stuff is really needed, but We'll see if hot code reloading is a thing that we should do or not. Bruh. Remove? It's already a pointer? What? Where? Remove the star?
Try removing the asterisk in the type defs.
Attention. Building completed.
Okay. You guys ready to fail? Are you ready to fail? Let's go.
Function pointers are kinda confusing.
Yeah, I agree. I didn't get the function.
It will fail. The
Remove.
function names are mangled. You need to do one more thing.
Okay. I need to disable function mangling, I guess, on the build.batch. Huh? Over here. Some slash. Stop doing that bullshit. No mangling, slash no mangling. Hashtag no mangling. No mangle. Flakes. You removed the wrong asterisk, I meant the other ones. Nah. Add extern C around your functions. Ah, okay. How does that work?
Extern C underscore declspec will export the whole function. Declspec is need on both functions. One extern is fine.
I was hoping it would be fine if I use one. Declspec.
Attention. Building
Fuck
completed.
you. Int assumed. C++ does not default int. Oh, I'm a dumbass.
Attention. Building
Init game
completed.
redefinition linkage. Update game redefinition different linkage. What does that mean? Type dev void hello int a null pointer. Bum, bum, ba-dum.
Need the declspec in both places.
I have.
Header and implementation.
Ah, aha, okay. Oh, I see. CCAP. CCAP.
Not sure about extern.
Thank you very much for helping me. Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building
I guess you need extern C. Maybe you can get away without that. Why not try it out? Huh?
Attention. Building completed. completed.
Interesting. It seems like it does not... It definitely does something different.
Attention. Building completed.
Or maybe it doesn't? Maybe I don't need the... Looks like I don't need the extern here. Maybe I don't need that here.
Attention.
It doesn't
Building
matter for the
completed.
compile.
Doesn't matter for
The
the...
extern only matters for get proc address.
Okay. Okay. Try to fail, guys. Let's try to fail. We failed again because Dono was a null pointer. Render interface CPP. Draw transform. Update game. So it means like init game did not properly set Dono. It did not. Which is weird because it should have. Oh, I don't know. I don't set the Dono. Oh. Oops.
Attention.
Looks like
Building
it
completed.
did more this time. But unhandled exception, access violation, reading location. Wait, I'm not allowed to use that pointer or something? I don't understand. Am I not allowed to use that memory that's been given to me? Am I not allowed to use this memory right here? I literally have a memory pointer here. Am I not allowed to change that memory? Because I'm a
You
DLL?
should be.
I should be allowed to? What is that saying? Access violation reading location. I'm trying to access the materials on OH. Oh wait, I know why. I know why. Because I'm mellocking. Wait, no, it's my fault. Yeah. Wait, win32. Malloc, and then I guess I do quick. The value of Dono is initialized to 0. I guess that was garbage.
Zero these.
Attention.
Nuts.
Building
Yeah.
completed.
Okay. Bruh. And what can I do now? I can just compile the game again. Right? I should be able to just compile the game again. Like change something. And it's gonna change...
No omega lol.
No? Oh, I need to handle like the loading routine.
We are not done.
100% won't crash. Okay, let's try.
Attention. Building completed.
Battling cannot open game DLL for writing. Oh, I see. I see what I need to do. It needs to write. I see. We are only 20% done. Okay, guys. CCAP, how long will that take? Do you want me to take a break now? We do the rest tomorrow? Or do you want to continue and finish it? I'm down to continuing, but I don't want to take away from your streaming time. I'm pretty sure I can understand what's happening now. We are trying to create... We need to create a new file here. We need to create a new
I'll
DLL file.
stream now, but let me give you the steps.
Okay. Can you give me the code to create a different file for the DLL, a different name? Some time, like you have some time hack. Or some crazy build.batch file that gives me a different timestamp. I'm pretty sure that's what you do. We need another timestamp. We need to find a game DLL file with a new timestamp. Then we need to, since we are loading the library here.
That's for the PDB. which you will need as well.
Oh, that's for the PDB. That's not for the DLL. What I do is, in mine, I unload and inject DLL in my build script. He's gonna give me the steps and we'll see.
After compiling the DLL, copy the DLL and give it a different name. Then you load that new DLL in your game.
Oh, I see. That's very simple. Is it? I thought I'd support my man Burnt for a while. For sure, to get him those watch hours, my man. For sure. Thank you very much. I don't know who you are, because you have a different name. Hey, Ultra Massive Super Giga Friends. Oh, I know which one that is. I know who that is. I know who that is. Burnt these nuts. Oh boy. Can anyone guess who that is? Guys, we'll try to set it. We'll try to get it done. If it doesn't work, in 20 minutes. New here, nope. That is Tapir from Twitch. Just wait. I said hi, chat. Platform. Read. Oh, I need to copy the file, man. After compiling it, we'll try to... Is there a way to copy a file into a new one? Is there? Can I just do copy? Game.dll into game include or game load.dll.
Actually, not quite like that. Just watch for right time changes in the original DLL. When there are, this will happen first frame as well. If you have a DLL loaded, free it. Then copy the original DLL. Then load the pasted DLL.
Yeah, like I need to get a timestamp somewhere and get that here. Long, last edit DLL timestamp, which is 0, and then if, and we get another long DLL timestamp is platform get last platform last edit timestamp, right? Last edit timestamp, which takes in the game.dll.
After loading the pasted DLL, you have to load the functions, of course.
Yeah. I need to load the functions again. So if the DLL timestamp is less or greater, greater than the last edit DLL timestamp, then we do all of that bullshit. bum, bum. I love that song. Awesome song. Right? But we don't load the game DLL, but we load the game load DLL. Right? We load this library.
Attention. Building
And if there's a load library, there should also be a free library, right? It is. Which takes
That
in the
should
game
give you hot code
DLL.
reloading. Symbols
man.
in Vs code may not work. You will need the PDB stuff for that. But you should have hot reloading with that.
Okay, that is awesome. And then we create a new branch because I don't want to push that to master yet. I'll create a new branch, the DLL reloading thing. I know work on YouTube cashier. Hi, CCAP. Thank you for giving me those watch time hours, my man. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm approaching 3,000. I literally have already 3,000 watch time hours. So I need one more K. We'll see if we can get that by Christmas, huh? Maybe we can get that by Christmas. But and you're telling me, CCAP, that this is worth it? All of this stuff is worth it to do? To have hot code reloading? That's worth it? Put your time into this? Excuse me.
Loadings, freeing and copying may not work on first attempt. File may be locked or some shit. What I do is try on a loop. If I succeed, break. Otherwise, sleep and try again.
Oh, really? It actually doesn't work. Damn. Okay, H module. Interesting. Log library doesn't always work. Cringe. Fucking cringe, huh? Hm? Ja, ich komme gleich. Okay. Looks like girlfriend needs a little bit of help. But that's fine. I told her I will be streaming for 1 more hour. I have like 10 more minutes left.
Is not load library itself, it is just the file being locked.
I see. So I guess I'll check if, and we call that new game DLL. If we have a new game
Same
DLL.
for copy file.
You mean inside the build.batch file? The same for that? That doesn't work? Really?
There should be no copy in build.bat.
Oh boy, oh god, it's way more to do.
You
Oh
need
no.
a copy in C. Is just called copy file from, to.
Oh really? That's what it's called. It's a Windows function. Ba-da-dum, bum, bum, bum. I'll try it. Try leaving it in here. It literally is called copy file. I doubt that, but okay. Doesn't give me any blue or like red things. So looks like. But yeah, okay, well, try. Game.
You didn't quite understand the process, I think. Reread my message that starts with actually.
It's not load library, it's because of how Memes compiler writes files. Let's see. Read my message. Copy file function. Actually not quite, like just watch the right time changes in the original DLL. Yeah, when there are, this will happen first frame as well. If you have a DLL loaded, free it, then copy the original DLL, then load the basic DLL. We need to load the game load DLL first though. So that's why I have the copy in here. So that it exists. So we load that DLL. And we get the last edit timestamp of that.
Attention.
Copy file does not take 2 arguments. I guess it's false. So if we have a change, I can't copy. I need to free the library, then I need to copy the file. We need to try to copy the... we need to...
Copy in. That doesn't really help. You will have to copy anyway in the C code, and you don't need the DLL code in multiple places.
So if we have a new timestamp, what do we do first? We need to free the library. We need to try freeing the library. So otherwise we cannot copy into game load DLL. We need to try to free that. Then we need to try to copy the file. Does it return like a bool? Probably does. If it's successful, yeah. Then we need to get the new DLL, and if we have the new DLL, we set that. But if we don't, we just load the old game DLL again, I guess. For now. I guess we'll always load that file.
If DLL free library, copy file original, new, false, DLL equals load library pasted underscore DLL, load the game funcs, plus the error checking and loops.
Huh? If DLL free library, copy file. I mean, yeah, wait. I guess I'll do it like that. Let me see. DLL timestamp.
I'm going. Good luck.
My
Don't
man.
rage too much.
No. I'll just try it out, see if it works. DLL times 10. Thank you very much, CCAP. I hope you have a great stream. If I have time, I'll drop by and call you a clown or something. But thank you very much for helping with this. I really appreciate that.
Attention. Building completed. Attention.
Okay,
Building
the reason why I'm
completed.
copying this here is just because it's the first and easiest thing I can think of. We'll fix that. We'll make that better tomorrow. I don't know if it worked or not. Probably have to build this entirely again and then see if it even runs like that. No, it does not. Because init game does not exist. And why does it not exist? Because it's trying to load the library. Do I get a DLL here? No. I don't even get a DLL here. Didn't I call it game load? I have a game load DLL. Interesting. That's weird. I'm a dumbass. I'm freeing the library.
Attention. Building completed.
Okay, I was freeing the library for some reason. Okay. Duh. Okay, it doesn't load me the DLL. Wait, actually, it does. Why do I get a duh? I guess I want to have an exclamation mark game DLL like that.
Attention. Building completed.
Dude, literally. What now? What is this bullshit? I'm not asserting anywhere. I'm not asserting anything and then. Fuck you. Why do I get an input problem now? Oh, of course, because it reloaded. It was reloading the. It was reloading this, and then I need to call init game and GL init again. No, I need to call init game again. Because it needs to send the pointers. Cringe. Cringe. Well, I guess what else will I do, huh? I need to call init game.
Attention. Building completed.
Kinda cringe. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, okay. It's a bit weird, man. It is weird. But okay, let's try doing something. Let's try changing something. If it works, we need to get it working first, and then tomorrow we'll just make it better, okay? Let's see, update, game. Let's try changing the HP bar from, let's try changing it from 69 to 79.
Attention. Building completed.
Did it change anything? Should I make it bigger? 100? 9?
Attention. Building completed.
Literally doesn't do anything. I wonder what it says. Failed opening file, game DLL. Where's my game DLL, guys? Why is it deleting my game DLL file when I build? Huh? Error writing to program database. Link. Insufficient disk space. Invalid path. The system cannot find the file specified. Game CPP. Why? Is that because of FC? DLL gone? Is that because... Wait. Is it because... I do the FC part here? I should not do FC?
Attention. Building completed. Attention. Building Building completed.
Like system build.batch. Another solution would be invoking it with the system commands. It is blocked until it is fully compiled. Yeah, I have no idea what that means. I don't know why it tells me it cannot compile. Wait, is it Z7? I think it's Z7. Let's do. Oops.
Attention. Building completed.
Wait.
Attention.
The
Building
process
completed.
cannot access the file because it is being processed by another. Okay. Now I have a new game DLL. Oh look, it worked. Guys, watch. It worked. It literally worked. I have it. It was the FC part to create the debug information. It couldn't create the debug. Like, that's the next step. Look, I could make the HP bar a bit thicker. Let's say 40. How fast is that?
Attention. Building completed.
I don't know. Is that worth it? Is that worth it? Should I make that? Should I put that in my own game as well? 69.
Attention. Building
Draw quad. And I can even do draw quad. 100. 100. 20. 30. 30.
Attention.
Look, I mean, it does work. The enemies reset when you reload. Yeah, that's because I need to call init game. That's because of the scuffed way that I set these pointers here. I need to supply the pointers. I shouldn't be calling init game. I should be more or less doing... I should check if I have game state, or if I have a game state, or if I have don't know. But if I don't, then like in update game, I should check if don't know, or if I don't have don't know, then I wanna set don't know in, right? And then I supply the don't know in here. But I think I guess that's the first part, and like the other stuff that we see right here is just
Building completed.
improvement. But we have hot code reloading done. We can even change the, let's see, draw player. We can even change the sprite of the player, I think. Instead of that sprite, we could just call it as right enemy 02.
Attention. Building completed.
That's quite a cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. It's not bad.
Attention. Building completed.
Yep. Okay, very nice. I think that's it. I think I will create a new branch. Well, guess what? You know what? I think I'll just push this to the main branch. And then we'll clean that up tomorrow. So maybe that's a good example if someone wants to try doing something similar. Having that as an example. Maybe that could help. I don't know. It's a bit big. It's a big program already. Yeah, I think I'll push this to the master branch. And then tomorrow we'll clean it up. Edit. Hot code reloading. Scuffed. But works. Clean up. Next. Okay, guys, I think that's going to be it for me. My neck still hurts. I'm surprised I managed to go for like 6 hours with this shitty ass thing. And my girlfriend also needs help. But nonetheless, we got a couple of W's today, especially in the main game as well. In Cakez City, we also got a lot of W's in there, which is awesome. So I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. And then we continue, we clean up the game a bit, and then we go for pickups and XP bars and leveling. That will be fun. Until then, I hope you have a great Sunday, and I'll see you tomorrow, team.